It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Wednesday, the 26th of February. I'm Michael Groff. Dry weather, a slow warming trend beginning today. We'll see temperatures getting pretty close to 80 by the end of the week and heading into the weekend. Another storm system approaching the desert southwest by Sunday and Monday, leading to an increase in clouds and some unsettled weather. Could we see some rain here in the valley? And if we do, how much will we get? And will we see any cooler temperatures as well? Let's talk about it. Yesterday in the valley, 68 degrees was the afternoon high, 47 the low, the normals 72 and 50. Outside now at 5:35 a.m. We've got clear skies out there, sitting at 48 degrees at Sky Harbor, the dew point at 10, so it's bone dry, relative humidity 21%. Wind from the east-northeast at 13, and the barometer way up at 30.38 inches and steady. Temperatures out there this morning on the cool side in some spots, 31 at Goldfield, 35 Saguaro Lake and Granite Reef Dam. A few upper 30s on the board, but most of us are in the 40s and low 50s across the metro. The upper air look shows a trough over the nation's midsection, area of high pressure off to our west, so we are situated in a dry north to northwesterly flow. That's helping to keep the air mass very dry. The watch warning map, very quiet out here in the west. We do have some winter weather advisories around Chicago, Detroit, parts of the Northeast, some dense fog as well for the East Coast. And the convective outlook for today, we've got a marginal risk of severe storms around Baltimore and Washington, D.C., as well as Tampa Bay up toward Orlando. Precipitation for the next 7 days around here, not expecting a whole lot of rain, if any, here in the valley, at least not according to the WPC projection, with some precipitation expected across northern and eastern Arizona, but even at that, pretty light, as this next storm system coming through does not look to be all that potent. But we'll detail it now as we take a look at the models. Here we go, the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's our trough moving into the southeast U.S., high pressure building in from the west, a northwesterly flow aloft. The heights are coming up. So down at the surface, sunny skies, a beautiful day, high temperatures pretty close to 70. Tonight, clear, dry air, lows will drop into the 40s for most of us, and then tomorrow, sunny, warmer, highs in the mid-70s. Friday, we'll start to see some high clouds coming on in, but it shouldn't stop the warm-up. Highs pretty close to 80. And same thing for Saturday, pretty close to 80, the sky partly sunny. Now on Sunday, southwesterly flow starts to pick up as we see a low dropping down the west coast and developing. As it does, clouds continue to increase, but the day should be dry. High temperatures will back off a little bit. I think we're still in the mid-70s though. Now on Monday, this system does begin to move east across northern Baja and right around the international border. The preponderance of models seem to suggest that the main low center stays to our south though, and most of the moisture and dynamic support will stay away from us as well. Still, I do think enough moisture will be in here for at least a small chance that we see some showers across the valley, but they'll be fairly widely scattered and on the light side. So we'll put a 20% chance of rain in for Monday, at least at this point. And high temperatures should back off. It will be breezy at times too. We'll be in the low to mid 60s. All right, Tuesday, that system begins to move out of here. A few showers over the eastern part of the state, but we should be drying out. High temperatures back closer to 70 with mostly sunny skies. Then a week from today, this is Wednesday, the 4th of March, and the GFS suggests a dry northwesterly flow, a wave passing through the central Rockies and out into the plain states. The European has that wave closer to the southwest, and it would keep us cooler, but right now the majority of guidance anyway is suggesting that we will be starting a warming trend for the middle part of next week. Let's go out 10 days. This is the end of the forecast period, Friday, the 6th of March. And again, the GFS has a ridge over the southwest and conditions dry and temperatures on the mild side. Speaking of temperatures, checking those out off of the national blend of models. Highs getting up to around 80 degrees by Friday and Saturday, and then we'll cool it off as that storm system comes on through. But then there will be a warming trend sometime toward the middle part of next week. And that'll just about do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new video, you'll be alerted. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. Be safe out there, and you guys have yourselves a fantastic Wednesday.